Okay, guys. So we're quickly looking at the functions of hemoglobin. Right? Functions of hemoglobin. Now, for these functions of hemoglobin, we just go bit by bit. Right? It's quite a simple thing, but we'll now make it a big deal. Alright. So the first function is oxygen transport. Right? So it functions in transporting oxygen from the lungs to different tissues. So a nearly complete saturation of hemoglobin with oxygen take place in the lungs. Right. So as well, an efficient oxygen uploading takes place in the tissues. Right. Okay, unloading. Right. So oxygen loads up in the lungs when it gets to tissues, unloads. Right. So these two actions take place because of the sigmoid oxygen dissociation curve of hemoglobin. Right. So this one's just trying to talk about all those factors. Right. Yes, in depth of all those factors. In depth of all the factors, right? So this one I'm just trying to look at like an increase in oxygen affinity will now shift the oxygen dissociation curve to the right and may be associated with what? Low pH, high temperature, high levels of the enzyme, and all of that. Then shift to the left. Those are all the opposites of things that actually moved it to the right. You understand? So this is a dissociation curve. Right? So oxygen or hemoglobin also functions in removal of carbon dioxide, right? So carbon dioxide is transported from tissues through the blood to the lungs, where it's now excreted in exhaled air, transported in blood, okay, and it's basically in three forms. About 78%, okay, hydrogen, okay. All this one is just big stories, right? Just for you to know that actually what um, transports carbon dioxide out. Right? Then acid buffering. So because it now regulates all those elements in the body, it actually helps in acid buffering. Okay. Then transport of other gases. Right? Also helps in transport of other gases. Okay. Okay. It also controls vascular tone. So it's a potent vasodilator, signal transduction molecule interacts with hemoglobin in complex ways. Okay, that's nitrous oxide, right? So it also helps in transporting nitrous oxide. Okay, all of that. A lot of stories, but not really needed for a simple concept as functions of hemoglobin. Okay, so I think, guys, that's it for the functions of hemoglobin. I highlighted four. So, bye for now. Transport oxygen, carbon dioxide, gases, acid buffering.